Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review. This time on an Astrolux E02. So it comes in this box, not really too much to this box, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. Okay. I'm going to start off with the included accessories, which looks like there's an O-ring and a lanyard. Okay. And it comes with the light. Now I've already put a battery in it. I'm running a high drain cell in this, and it is unprotected. And we're going to go ahead and show you that it comes with a very nice heavy duty clip, and you can take this off if you want. We're going to go ahead and look at the machining on this. And there's where the lanyard goes. And that's a textured reflector. Very nice machining on this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and show you. This is an XPL Cree. And this has a max output of 900 lumens. And I'm going to go ahead and take the cell out. I'm running my favorite, one of my favorites here is the Panasonic. These are the NCR 18650 PF. These are very good batteries. These are rated at 2900 milliamps. These are flat top. Excellent. I get excellent run time on these. These really put out the power to make this light perform at its best. Now we're going to show you the tail cap, and that is a very heavy duty spring. Very nice. I'm going to go ahead and take this apart now for you, and you can see the spring on the head there. Very nice. And the threads again are very well greased. So we're going to go ahead and put this light back together. Okay, now we got it all back together. Okay, now the UI is very simple on this. Simply clicking on the button starts the light off on moonlight, and then takes a big jump there up, and then another jump, and another, and back down to the bottom. Now if you double click this button, goes to strobe. If you click again once you're in the special modes, you only have to click once, and there's a pulsating type of flash. And then of course you've got the regular beacon mode. Press and hold that to turn it off. Now you can go back through the modes again. Very easy on the UI. It's definitely an everyday carry. I really like this, and I think we should take this one out and see how it does in the wilderness. Okay, we're out here. It's nice and dark, and we have the Astrolux, and it is on. As you can see, its moonlight is very dim, and you can see about 2 or 3 feet in front of you. We're automatically going to go to the next level. And there's the next level. And look at the beam on this. It is making the tree of life, faintly. I'll pan it around real fast. See how it does. We're going to go along the fence. Alright. Now we're going to go the next level up. It's getting better, 25 feet out. Now this is more of a floody beam, as you can see. Alright. And we're going to go up to the next level. Now we can see how wide that beam is. Now it's got some pretty good throw on it. It's now getting up there, usually making a tree. Let me put it up above my shoulders here. Look at that. Very nice wide coverage area. And a cat. Very nice. Very impressed at this light output. And that is really nice. 900 lumen output, showing this much light output for such a small package. Now it doesn't have a huge throw on it, but it's clearly making the school. But it's so wide of a flood beam. And the spill is really nice on this too, as you can see. Look at that. Alright. Put it back on the tree of life. And that's the highest level. I hope you enjoyed the night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This performed pretty good. I mean, it's for the price point, how much you pay for this, for how well it did. I'm very impressed with the performance of this light. It's got a nice knurling on here. I like that style of it. It seems a little bit better than the finer knurling. I just like the design altogether. I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. And the only reason why is there are some minor specks of dust in behind the lens. Now I've cleaned this off and you can still see the debris in that reflector. Now it's not really affecting it on performance, but it is to me, and so I take 1 point from that. But for the quality of the light, the output, it does really nice. And I just want to thank BANGGOOD.com for sending me this light. Now if you are interested in this light, just look up on the screen there and you'll see my discount code. You can use that and you can be able to save you some money. I really think that for an everyday carry EDC, this is going to be just fine, and it's clearly very affordable. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Always please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights so you can see them for yourself in action. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thanks for watching. Take care.